This is Sharina, and this is my co-star today. Faggot Andy. Alright, let's get it started. So today we're using all e.l.f. products today because I'm a bad bitch that can't afford shit. Okay. So first of all, we got our e.l.f. Yeah, that's primer shit right here. We're gonna get that started. I bought all today, and they're under $10. Yeah. So we got our e.l.f. What the hell? This shit is already used up. Okay. So we got our e.l.f. We just do a little dab on your face. I really don't know what this does. Oh, it's not 10%. Fuck. Okay. Now we got our primer and shit. We're gonna put it on our hand. Okay, because we don't want to look rusty and dusty like Andy. And then we're just gonna do a few pumps of this liquid come. And then you can put it all over your face. Okay. Okay. Oh, smooth. Pretty smooth. Okay. Ah, not that bad. Yeah, not that bad. Okay, I underestimated this face primer because this is just the shit. Can make my face silky and soft, like have a bunch of grease in my face, and add additional more grease to my face. Okay, let's get started. Alright, what are we gonna do now? Now we're gonna put this foundation on because we are a bad bitch. That's right. Think positive because we bad bitches here, okay? We give no fucks. Alright. Now this e.l.f. foundation is called Buff. Okay? Now I'm gonna shake this. I'm gonna shake it up real good. Alright. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a nice little squirt thingy. And we're gonna squirt. What? This is taking forever to squirt on. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is really dark. Holy shit, I'm gonna look like Beyonce flawless, okay? Alright. Now we're just gonna get this little brushy thingy. Oh god. Oh fuck. Damn it! I don't even know how to open this. Okay. Ugh. Cool. Alright, we're just gonna put this all over your face. Wow, this is really dark. I'm gonna look really dark. Okay. Oh my god, I look really dark. I look really patchy. Oh my god. Oh, I'm painting my face. See? Ah, it don't look that bad. Oh, okay. Doesn't look that bad. Oh shit! I'm about to look flawless. Okay. Wow. You see a difference?
Can't see.
Are you serious? No clearness? No clearness? Like, real talk? Like, you don't...
I can't see because I'm not wearing my glasses.
Oh, put your glasses on, nigga.
What's that?
No difference? I look dark.
I really don't like that.
Hell yeah, because you want to have that tan in the wintertime. down before your ass gets beat. Off of Jesus. Right.
Look Katie in the eye and tell her what you feel. I can't forgive you for what you did to your best friend Sharon. Michael, Sharon, and I were like the three musketeers until you came along and ruined everything. What Kelly is trying to say is she blames you, Jay, for taking me away from her and her best friend. What's me? And that was very painful to her. It was tough. Losing me to anyone would be devastating.
Oh, shit.
Express yourself. Tell her how you feel. Alright. I don't appreciate you coming into my home trying to take over with your singing and your presence and your secret ingredients. And let's discuss Sharon for 1 second. She lost. Now what? Get over it. Three Musketeers is a candy bar.
Oh.
What Jay is trying to say without all this is it's hard for her to see me in any relationship with anyone that predates the relationship that we have. Am I right?
Yes, love.
Are you talking about me? Or Sharon? See, there she goes with this.
Oh, Carla.
They just end the video.
Yes, bitch! I'm a fucking goddamn! Hell yeah! Wow. Damn, girl. Who came out of this package? Oh, shit. What? What's up with you, nigga? Holy fuck. Oh my god. Ah! Wow, this actually looks really good. I can't be wearing this too often though.